So other things, let's just create something real, kind of quick sketch of how we might use this. So we have this stringer, we have this lightweight, what must be some steel plate bent. And let's take a look at how we might support that. So we would probably want some kind of wall here in the middle. So let's just go ahead and go to level 1. Sure. I'll save it later. I'll create a wall. Just have it kind of go all the way there. That looks good. And let's see what we would need to align this. So that to that, block that, that to that. Oh, that's interesting. So somehow it thinks it's constrained by the fact that this landing has to be a certain size, which it does not. So we need to edit this. So I went in and edited the stairs, and let's see if we can align it now. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay. All right, so we did that, but what if we wanted to make this a little bit wider? Let's edit the stairs again. We'll select that, and we can pull to 5 feet. I'm just curious to see if we can't just change this dimension to 5 feet. Remove constraint. So it doesn't like to do that. When you use the dimensions down here, it grows the stair in both directions, so it kind of lost our constraint. So if you want this to get wider, which for a public stair, you typically want it to go to about 5 feet. I mean, you could go with a little thinner. I think you might be able to go 4. So I'm just going to go to 5 and then go 5 here. A little tricky. That's why I really wish those dimension tools below worked. Alright, so it's giving me a warning. Landing depth is less than a run width. So if you didn't know, your stair landings can never be less wide than the stair that it's coming from above to it. So if this gets to 5 feet, it's saying, hey, buddy, you might need to make this also 5 feet. Now it's funny, it doesn't actually do something about it, because it's acknowledging that you're the designer and that you may know something it doesn't, but it's definitely going to throw out a warning sign. So if I can't kind of move it perfectly, what I can do to edit this would where I really wish I could edit. What I'm doing is trying to get further away and hoping that it gets less precise. Maybe I can do it actually here. Gonna want to remove constraints. All right, let's remove constraints. Oh, so it moved it kind of there. I'm a little confused. I think we've got it. Yeah, it looks good. I've lost, I guess it's still locked, so I guess that's good. It's got the 4 inches because it's going to the center of this. So anyway, that was a long time just to get that to work, but you can kind of see some of the pitfalls that you run into as you're kind of having to manipulate this. It gets better and better with Revit every year, but at the moment we're still working out the kinks there.